What is up, guys? Claw Destroyer. So basically today, I want to talk about issues. So recently, there have been things going on with kids like raging over video games or having negative influences with video games, and there was like a recent incident in Mexico where this kid like went he was like negatively influenced by like video games, especially like shooting games, and he went to his school and he shot himself, the teacher. I wanted to say that if you guys like, because like I know a lot of you guys, some of you guys like to report scammer issues. If you get scammed, please don't like be like really mad about it. I know I've been mad before, but just like learn to move on and try not to make the same mistake again. Like I said, that is why I do giveaways, so that if you some of you guys get scammed, you have a chance to win free items, which is the other thing I'm talking about. Right now, um, it is currently 8:45 where I'm at. Um, I think we're Eastern time, right? Um, Central Standard Time. Right now it is 8:45. At 9 p.m. Uh, Central Time. So that's like 10 p.m. So like in like 15 minutes, I'm gonna be opening my. Let me actually go right now to my profile. I know like a lot of you guys always wanna win godlies. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be making it the JD Inspired Challenge, where I invite a bunch of you guys to my server, and you guys have a chance to compete for a godly. So like if you don't have any godlies, or if you got scammed and you want to join me, I'll be doing that at 9 p.m. So I'm gonna be chilling in my server. So just go on ahead and follow me. I'll go to my settings. I'll put it to where anyone can join me. That way you guys can join me in my VIP server. So yeah, if you guys want to win a free godly, just follow, just like join me. All right, thanks.